A woolly-necked stork is one of the bigger birds on the river today, but it's dwarfed by its cousin, the saddle-billed stork. It towers at 5 feet tall. Like all other creatures, big birds are drawn to the Levuvu by the allure of water. An 11-pound white-backed vulture makes daily trips to water to drink and bathe. But among all of Pafuri's birds, one species rules the roost. As their name suggests, African fish eagles specialize in catching fish. Unlike the smaller birds, the low-flowing river offers them little in the way of food here.